Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be setting up Windows 2000 on a virtual machine. This setup should be easy, but all you need to do is get the files down in the description. So, what you need to do is you need to press New, and you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to call this Win 2000. Click Next. You choose whatever amount of RAM you want. I'm gonna just put in 1 GB of RAM. You create a virtual hard disk now. You want to select VDI, click Next. Dynamically allocated, click Next. Then choose an amount of space you want to put onto the hard drive. I'll just leave it at the default setting. Now it's right there. What you want to do is click on Start and wait for it to boot up. Now it'll ask you to select a startup disk. Click this little folder icon with the arrow on it, and you want to locate your disk for installation. Mine would be right here. Start. And now you will wait for it to start. It will show up this blue screen. And once you get this blue screen, it will start loading files. And once this is done, it should bring you to the setup, where you can set up this virtual machine. Now right here, you want to press Enter. You press F8. Then you press Enter. Then format the partition using the NTFS file system. Now, what you want to do is you want to wait for this to finish formatting, which should not take too long if you set it to a low amount. Like what just happened. Now it will start copying files to the virtual machine, as shown right now. Just wait for this to finish. Alright, now it will reboot in a certain amount of seconds, or you can press Enter to immediately restart it, which I will do right now. Press any key, so you press any key. Weird. Oh yeah, I forgot. You're supposed to go to optical drives, take out the drive, and reset the machine. Now we'll start up Windows. And it will bring you here. Now what you want to do is you go back to the drives and you insert that disk again. Press OK. Click Next. Then wait for this to install the devices onto your computer. Alright, once you get to this screen, you want to click Next. Type in your name, and if you are part of an organization, you want to put this here. So for me, it's Hungry Games MC. And if you wish to visit my server, I'll have a link in the description. Now you want to get the key from the description, or you can copy it from the video. I just gotta find it quickly. Where is it? So Alright, now you want to enter this DTP, no, DDTV TXM X7 BBG J9 WGY 8K B9 GHM. Click Next. Choose a computer name. Type in a password, but I'm not going to use a password. Choose a time zone. Click Next. And then this will start installing network components. Now you want to do, I think, custom settings. Click Next. Then just click Next. Now wait for this to set up the components. It may take some minutes, it may take a few seconds, but you never know. It just depends on how much RAM and CPU you give this machine. This is now performing its final tasks, and once this is done, you should be all set. It is now finished installing. Now what you want to do is you want to remove the CD you inserted earlier, and then if this will respond, you will click Finish. Now you will get to the Network Identification Wizard. Click Next. You can choose either users must enter username and password, or you can do Windows always assumes the following user is logged on. I'm going to keep the default setting, press next, finish. And now the last thing we have to do is click connect to the internet. I want to set up my internet connection manually for the LAN. Click next. I connect through a local area connection. Next. Then click off the automatic discovery of proxy server. Click next. Click no. Then click next. Click finish. Now you can exit this and you're all done. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you had any problems with this tutorial, then please leave a comment down below on what you had problem with. I'm Nathan Alex, and I'll see you in the next video.